Hi there, Eileen with Team Pristine here to demonstrate how to properly use the Travel Water Revival System available at livepristine.com. We strongly recommend you to read and refer to the instruction manual that comes with the Travel Water Revival System. In addition to the manual, this video will help you learn the basics of what you need to know to use your system. Let's get into it. The Travel Water Revival System comes complete in a durable case that is portable and also protects the filtration system inside. This makes it easy to pack, transport, and carry along when on the go so you can drink clean, pristine water wherever you are. As you can see inside, the travel unit has several components all working together to filter, replenish, and recharge your available water to pristine quality. Looks complicated on one hand, however, using it is quite simple. Here's a quick rundown on the basic components so you know which ones are functional and important for use. The TDS meter, the faucet adapters, the diverter valve, the water revival system assembly. Now that we know the components, let's make some pristine water. The Travel Water Revival System is designed to be portable so it can accommodate a variety of settings and water sources. It is not designed for under-counter use, and PristineHydro has a separate under-counter water revival system for fixed installations. The travel system is mounted on a board within the protective case that is removable for convenience and cleaning. The measurements of the system are 18 by 15 by 8. The adapter kit comes with a variety of fittings to accommodate most faucets, which allows for easy installation and disengagement. The exceptions would be faucets with extendable handles. These are not compatible. If your machine is being used for the very first time, you want to allow some water to pass through before you direct it into a container or vessel for drinking. Attach the feed water connector to the faucet, and when you're ready, simply place the spigot into the container, turn on the diverter valve, and let it flow. The system will produce filtered PristineHydro water at a rate of approximately 1 gallon every 15 minutes. Wastewater, or brine water, will flow out of the black line here. Make sure your brine line is directed into an acceptable drain. The ratio of wastewater to filtered PristineHydro water is 1:1, meaning 1 gallon of wastewater for every gallon of PristineHydro water. The desired water pressure needed for the system is 40 to 60 psi. Your system includes a handheld TDS meter to monitor the water quality. Average product water readings can vary between 20 to 60 ppm. The range varies due to the chemistry between different water sources. Most systems will eventually break at 40 ppm. When traveling outside the USA, we suggest you look into specific regulations as every country is different. However, many of our customers have enjoyed traveling abroad with their water revival systems. Step 1. Attach diverter valve. Simply fasten the diverter valve to the faucet and be careful not to over-tighten it. Once attached, slowly turn the valve to the horizontal position to check for a secure connection. Depending on the thread type and depth of your existing faucet, you might need to install one of the provided faucet adapters. Once no leaks are present, you are ready for the next step. Step 2. Dispense the product water. Place the system's faucet lever in the open position. The wastewater should exit through the black line and out the diverter valve at the same rate as the product water. With new systems or after filter changes, be sure to not drink the water from the system until the flow is clear, steady, and with no air or odor. Every month or so, it is recommended to flush the high-efficiency reverse osmosis membrane in order to maintain system performance. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Stay healthy and hydrated with PristineHydro.